IRflex Corporation is developing a novel optical additive manufacturing in the mid-wave infrared and long-wave infrared bands. This new optical additive manufacturing technology is sponsored by MWIR under the SBIR topic N2 31-011. The following slides describe our company, the Navy needs, specifications required, technology developed, current status, warfighter value, and the commercialization and transition plans to the Navy. IRflex Corporation was founded in 2006 and is located in Southside, Virginia. We specialize in the fabrication of fiber optic devices in the mid-wave and long-wave infrared for defense, medical, and industrial applications. IRflex has the state-of-the-art facility, world-class expertise, and intellectual property to develop and produce the best quality infrared glasses and fiber optic devices. We have a proven track record of leadership in moving SBIR Phase 2 projects from the conceptual phase through feasibility, production, and commercialization. The Navy is interested in the development of a novel additive manufacturing process to deposit optical materials transparent in the mid-wave infrared and long-wave infrared for the manufacturing and the refurbishment of optical imaging components. The technology is expected to transition to high-definition infrared camera systems, UAV, and government depot. The requirements are good flatness, centration of 3 arc minutes, clear aperture of 3 inches, transmission in 3 to 5 microns, and 8 to 12 microns, and thermalized design between negative 54 degrees Celsius and 90 degrees Celsius. In particular, the Navy needs infrared windows with an 8-degree or 0-degree face angle. The Navy wants to implement and use a novel additive manufacturing process to produce infrared optics with minimum post-processing and to support field optical repairs. There are no other additive manufacturing technologies that compare to our process. The additive manufacturing process is targeted primarily for infrared sensors and cameras for reconnaissance and surveillance of targets of interest by thermal emissions. The new additive manufacturing enables fast production and customization of complex infrared optics with less weight and volume and easier alignment compared to current multi-components imaging optics. Also, the additive manufacturing allows rapid repair of existing optical systems and dramatically enhance the logistics and maintenance of the Navy's optical systems. IRflex has developed a new additive manufacturing laser deposition process that melts glass nanopowders to produce optical components with sufficient quality and precision for high-definition camera systems in the mid-wave infrared and long-wave infrared. The novel laser deposition approach was implemented to deposit high-quality optical infrared transparent glass, such as chalcogenide glass film for transmission between 2 to 12 micron. Phase 1 has successfully demonstrated the feasibility to deposit transparent infrared glass film. The Phase 2 base has successfully produced submicron chalcogenide glass powder and a new thermalized chalcogenide glass. The goal at the end of the Phase 2 base is to produce and characterize optical prototypes with the additive manufacturing process at TRL Level 4 by the first quarter in 2027. The novel additive manufacturing process will be the only commercial technology capable to produce, repair, and refurbish high-performance infrared optics. The new technology can make complex optics that are not possible to make the conventional way, with minimal or no post-processing. This means less weight and volume single high-performance optics with easier alignment can replace multi-components optics. Also, the new additive manufacturing enables fast production time, customization, and drastically enhances the logistics and maintenance of the Navy's optical systems. The sponsor for this topic is MWIR Warfare Center Weapons Division. The additive manufacturing technology will transition to high-definition infrared camera systems, unmanned air vehicle turret assembly, and government depot to repair and refurbish optics. Following the Phase 2, IRflex will further the additive manufacturing TRL levels through process optimization and prototype demonstrations in relevant environment. We estimate that it will take 4 years to bring the technology to TRL9 and transition to infrared camera systems. Additive manufacturing infrared optics are used primarily for infrared camera imaging systems between 3 to 12 micron. The users benefit from this technology because they can now specify custom imaging optical components with unique infrared transmission profiles that are not currently available with conventional optical processing. Defense applications include night vision, securing risky zones, border security, terrorism threats. Commercial applications include night vision security and surveillance, chemical biodetection, spectroscopy, oil and gas, and automotive. IRflex will work closely with military agencies such as the Navy, Army, and Air Force, as well as the major infrared camera integrators, including Teledyne FLIR, Leonardo DRS, L3 Harris, and Raytheon, to qualify the infrared additive manufacturing optics and to validate that our claimed advantages benefit. IRflex will produce and package the additive manufacturing optics, and the primes will integrate the packaged additive manufacturing optics in the infrared camera imaging systems. Thank you for your attention, and I appreciate the opportunity to give you this presentation today. If your organization is working in the mid-wave or long-wave infrared, and you could use innovative additive manufacturing infrared optics, we would like to discuss collaborating. If you are interested, please contact me with your questions or more details.